Hello everyone, this is Angelina with you today again from Smartphone Technology. First of all, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel so you can always be updated with the new videos that I upload to you, how to get money for free doing nothing. So if you like my other video right now that I put for you, please don't forget to thumbs up and press the notification button so you can always be updated. Okay, now let's start with the site. The site that I will give you today called Upload Ocean. The site can give you to upload files for free forever, okay? And you can upload it like remote URL upload or FTP upload, okay? The price for 1,000 downloads that you get is $21 that you can get. Rewards, I press rewards, you can see by a group of places. The group A, United States, Kingdom and Canada, and there United B, United C, and all other countries United D. United D is $2, C 6, B 12, and A 21. So you can get $21 for 1,000 downloads that people will download from your site, from your link, okay? It's very cool, it's very easy, and there's the terms that you have to read when you have the time. It's very important. Don't use VPN and more games that people can do, like hacks. That's not good. You can be banned, so please don't try it. You have here register, start making money with your files, register today. It's a great site, you have to know, it's a great site. Request money is here. If you have any money, you will have the option to withdraw your money. Like you see, the minimum payout is $10, okay? So please be updated, and if you want to upload a file, there is here upload. Here you can upload your file from the computer and copy files and remote URL upload. That means that you can copy the URL link from another site and put it here, okay? That's all for this site today. It's safe and secure. Also, you have to know it's very high speed that it has, so the download will be very good, very fast, okay? So if you like the link, if you have any if you have any questions, please leave below the video on the comments. If you have any other site that you want me to try to see, to make a video explanation about, please don't forget to leave a message, a link of the site and the comment. So if you like my video, please don't forget to thumbs up my video, and thank you for watching. Love you all.